Bill Hillier is an architect and urban theorist who has written extensively on the relationship between street design and livability. Hillier is known for his work on space syntax, a theory and method for analyzing the spatial structure of urban environment and its impact on human behavior and social interaction. Hillier's work emphasizes the importance of street design in shaping social interaction and community life. He argues that streets can be designed to promote or discourage social activity and that the spatial layout of streets and buildings can have a significant impact on the livability and vibrancy of urban neighborhoods. According to Ilya, the key to creating livable and vibrant streets is to design them in a way that encourages social interaction and pedestrian activity. This involves creating the streets that are accessible and easy to navigate with a clear hierarchy of streets and public spaces that encourage people to move and interact with one another. Hillier also emphasizes the importance of mixed use development and arguing that a mix of residential, commercial, and public uses can help to create a more vibrant and livable neighborhoods. He believes that street design should prioritize the needs of people over car, and that streets should be designed to accommodate a range of transportation modes, including walking, cycling, and public transit. Overall, Hillier's work on street design and livability highlights the importance of creating a streets that are accessible, easy to navigate, and designed to encourage social interaction and pedestrian activity. By designing streets in a way that prioritizes the needs of people over car and promotes social interaction, urban neighborhoods can become more livable and vibrant places for everyone.